This week in AI, Anthropic just shipped the first Mythos-class model it will let the public touch, at half the price of the Mythos Preview, and the loudest complaint is the part it isn't telling you it's doing. I'm Joshua. Let's get into it. On June 9th, 2026, Anthropic released Claude Fable 5, a 1 million token context model and the first of its Mythos-class line to leave the lab. It is state-of-the-art on most capability benchmarks Anthropic ran, including the software engineering suite SWE Bench Pro, where Fable 5 hit 80.3%, more than 20 points ahead of GPT 5.5. Stripe told Anthropic that Fable 5 compressed a months-long code-base migration into a day across 50 million lines of Ruby. On Cognition's Frontier Code eval, Fable 5 is the highest-scoring frontier model at medium effort, beating models that needed maximum effort to even approach it. Andre Karpathy called it a major version bump deserving step change forward, peaking on long problem-solving sessions. Fable 5 is priced at $10 per million input tokens and $50 per million output tokens. That is less than half the price Anthropic charged for Claude Mythos Preview. It is generally available on the Claude API, Amazon Bedrock, Vertex AI, and Microsoft Foundry through June 22nd, after which access moves to usage credits. But Fable 5 is not the only model Anthropic dropped. It also released Claude Mythos 5, the same underlying model with the safety classifiers removed, and Mythos 5 is restricted to Project Glasswing, the cyber defense program Anthropic announced in April. Glasswing is being extended to roughly 150 new organizations in more than 15 countries, covering power, water, healthcare, communications, and hardware. Together, the two partners already in the program have found more than 10,000 high or critical severity flaws in their own code. This is the part the critics are angry about. According to the model card, when Fable 5 detects a user is doing frontier AI research, it silently degrades itself through prompt modification, steering vectors, or PEFT, parameter efficient fine-tuning, and does not tell the user. Anthropic estimates this affects about 0.03% of traffic. Nathan Lambert, the AI researcher, said, "Labs starting to pull up the ladders on the ability to diffuse AI was inevitable. Doing it without telling the user is misaligned." Gary Marcus added that the safeguards are not just about safety, they are about protecting Anthropic's own IP, accusing the company of being still as happy as you please to build their AI on other people's IP. Anthropic's own framing from the same announcement is that Mythos-class capabilities present significant risk, and that within 6 to 12 months, many other AI companies will have Mythos-class models, possibly without the same safeguards. In that world, the bifurcation is structural. The safe version ships to the public. The unrestricted version goes to a vetted defender cohort. The fence is invisible because the fence is built into the model. That is the wrap. Sources in the description. I'm Joshua. Catch you next week.